freaking rich! That might be your affirmation. Do you know that you can actually harm me with it? Hello Reshaper, I hope you're fantastic today. In today's video I want to share with you why the wrong affirmation can actually harm you. In this very channel, the videos about procrastination, social anxiety, about mental tricks and stuff like that. If you're interested in this stuff, give me a like, give me a subscribe, and also you can follow me on the social media. I do this videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Let's jump in. Alex, no, yeah. Do the affirmation wrong. Wrong affirmation? What is a wrong affirmation? In this very video I have actually told about what might be the wrong affirmation. If you haven't watched it, check it out. The wrong affirmation is when you're telling lies to yourself. Why is it the wrong affirmation? Pretty easily. When you are freaking broke and you will tell yourself, I'm a freaking Tony Robbins, I'm the next Bill Gates. Well, you're just bullshitting yourself right now. And because you do bullshitting yourself right now, this guy who's against you selling, no, you're just bullshitting. Always lying to me. And it strikes back. And what happened is, you are sitting in a boat with one is saying, I am rich, and another saying, you're freaking broke. And what they're doing, they're pedaling in an opposite way. And when you say to the other guy who is saying, okay, the affirmation is okay, you know, I am freaking rich, then he just start to paddle faster. But as you might know, what resists, persists. And because you know what resists, persists, what will eventually happen is the other pedal even faster, and then you have a never-ending fight. So how we can get rid of this dilemma? Pretty easily. First thing, stop right now with your affirmation. It is just harming you. Second one, find reasons for your affirmation. Say, I am freaking rich because I approach 100% every single day on the internet. For example, or 10%, it's up to you. Or say, I'm freaking rich because I do videos and I have so many engagement in my videos. Find reasons that are showing you compare with other rich men that you are capable to be rich. And the more reasons you find, the more the other guy will say, no, you're not freaking rich, you're freaking broke. It's getting less and less responsive. And because it gets less responsive, it is kind of become more and more convinced of this very things that you're telling, this very evidences that you are telling. So these things that you're telling, you have to find evidences. Once you have the evidence, tell them. And the third one, you want to continue it. If you don't continue it, if you just do this one time, nothing will happen. You have to do the same affirmation every single day just for yourself. Recap. How to do the right affirmation? First of all, quit the affirmation you're doing right now. Secondly, find evidences for every affirmation you're telling you as much as possible, so you can convince your brain who's telling no to say yes and paddle in the same way. Third one, continue doing it. Reshaper, I do this every Wednesday and Sunday, so make sure to subscribe to the notification, share with friends and lovers, to cat a video if you want to, because the next video will be about your goal might be too weak right now. The question of today is, what kind of affirmation you do right now? Comment down below and we can discuss in the comments down below. In this very channel videos about procrastination, social anxiety, about psychological tricks and so on. If you're interested in this stuff, you can just go and watch those videos. And as always, rush and bow, you have the scissors. If you put out the rock, you have won. Kudos for you.